Do you have pain right here? This is a spot right here in your SI joint. And that's where your spine meets your pelvis, okay? And a ton of people have pain in their SI joint right here. Here's why. Our nerves come down our spine, all the way through our spine, and when they come out of the bottom of the spine, they come through this SI joint right here, okay? And if this spot is tight, if it's compacted, what this can do is it can pinch this nerve right here, and it can cause all sorts of pain, either in your lower back, in your hips, even in other parts of your body, like your foot or your knees. So what we wanna do is we wanna create space and mobility in your SI joint. And this stretch right here, which is an easy stretch to do anytime, anywhere, is gonna help you do just that. All you need is a chair and the floor. Start by lying down on your back just like this, with your legs up on the chair. Your goal should be to feel like something's pulling up on your calves, almost like your femurs, your thigh bones are coming out of your pelvis like this. If the chair's not high enough, grab a pillow, put it down, and go ahead and rest your calves on top of that pillow until you feel like something's pulling up on the backs of your calves. From there, elongate your spine by thinking tall to the top of your head, and then press your shoulders away from your ears and turn your backs of the hands toward the ground. Now you're in a really good position to relax into this stretch. While you're here, you can read, you can look at your phone, you can go on a tablet. The whole point is just to relax while your pelvis creates more space because something is pulling your femur bones, your thigh bones, up this direction. Do this stretch for 10 to 30 minutes every single day and watch what happens. You create a ton of space in that SI joint, and that SI joint pain and that nerve pain is probably going to disappear. If you like simple stretches like this to help you feel better in your body, then you'll love the workouts we create over at WeShape. Every movement in a WeShape workout is customized to you based on your goals and capabilities. And they're follow-along home workouts. All you need is a chair and the floor, so anybody can do them. And the best part is you can try it for free. So go ahead and click the link, take our free quiz, and we'll build you a customized follow-along workout that you can do from home.